Welcome to Start Autoz today. We're exploring a vehicle that represents the future of American luxury and innovation, the all-electric Cadillac Lyriq. If you're into cutting-edge design, next-level tech, and silent but powerful performance, this SUV is something you'll definitely want to know about. Cadillac, a name known for traditional luxury and big V8 engines, is now stepping boldly into the EV world, and they're doing it with style. The first thing you notice about the Lyriq is how futuristic it looks. The front grille isn't really a grille at all. It's a sleek black panel with a glowing Cadillac emblem and cool LED lighting animations that make it feel alive. The side profile is smooth, elegant, and aerodynamic, and those massive 20 to 22-inch wheels give it a strong road presence. It doesn't scream for attention, but it definitely gets it. This is Cadillac showing the world that electric can be classy, bold, and confident. Inside, it's a whole different level. You're greeted with a massive 33-inch curved LED display that runs across the dashboard. It's sharp, bright, and gives you everything: your gauges, navigation, music, and more, all in one place. The interior feels open and calming, with premium materials like real wood, aluminum, and soft leather. Cadillac didn't just build an electric car, they built a modern luxury space you actually want to be in. Underneath all that style is some serious electric power. The Lyriq comes with a 100 kilowatt-hour battery and offers rear-wheel drive or dual-motor all-wheel drive. With up to 500 horsepower in the AWD version, this isn't just a calm cruiser, it moves fast and confidently. You get a range of around 300 miles on a full charge, which means real-world usability for everyday driving or longer trips. And with DC fast charging, you can get about 76 miles of range in just 10 minutes. Driving the Lyriq feels smooth and almost silent. There's a quiet confidence in how it handles the road. The suspension is tuned for comfort, but it still feels responsive when you push it. One-pedal driving is available, and once you get used to it, it makes city driving easier and more efficient. Add in the latest safety tech, hands-free Super Cruise for highway driving, and you've got a vehicle that's smart and futuristic in every way. The Cadillac Lyriq isn't just a new car, it's a message. It tells us that American luxury isn't going anywhere. It's evolving, going electric, and aiming right at the top of the segment. For those who want the future wrapped in elegance and performance, the Lyriq is ready. Cadillac is making a comeback, and it's electric. Thanks for watching Start Autoz Time. If you're into the latest cars from muscle to electric, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts. Is the Lyriq your kind of luxury, or are you still waiting for something else? Let us know, and stay tuned for the next drive.